Assalamualaikum guys, this is Jamshir and you're watching my YouTube channel JR The Versatile. Today in this video, I'll show you how to replace your face with another face. How to do face swapping in Photoshop. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your Photoshop. Now drag and drop both photos separately. So this is the face we are going to replace with this face.
Press the subscribe button for more video updates.
From this photo, we just need face. So we'll use lasso tool to make a selection of this face. After face selection, press Ctrl+X and paste it here. Now convert this face into a smart object and decrease its opacity. It will help you to adjust your facial details according to your background face. The color tone of this face should match with the target face, so I'm using hue and saturation option for this.
Press the subscribe
By holding Ctrl button, press left click on mouse. It will show the selection of this layer. Now hide this layer and click on the lower layer. It will show the selection on the lower layer. Now go to selection, modify, contract the size accordingly.
Press the subscribe button for more video updates.
Now delete this selection and press Ctrl D to deselect this selection. After this, select both layers and go to Edit, and then open Auto Blend Layers and select the option Stack Photos and hit OK. Boom! It's done.
Press the subscribe button for more video updates.
Thank you so much guys to watch this video. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you have any query in your mind, please don't hesitate and just ask. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share.